3, 2, 1.
How many hours a day does the Staten Island Ferry run? The answer is B, 24. Who played Paulie, Rocky Balboa's brother-in-law, in the Rocky movies? The answer is C, Burt Young. A lady kneels in front of bushes and talks to the lady. What happens next? The answer is B, uses gardening shears to trim the bush. Atoms are composed of negatively charged electrons and a positively charged what? The answer is B, nucleus. Why do I feel like a person who almost died? The answer is D, because I was feeling down. When was the first Port of Plymouth regatta? The answer is C, 1823. What company made the first color arcade game? The answer is A, Atari. What is the name of the book written by Pamela Anderson and published in 2004? The answer is D, Star. Tom Hanks, who starred in The Da Vinci Code, stars in another movie based on a Dan Brown novel. In Angels and Demons, he plays the same character as in The Da Vinci Code. What is this character? The answer is B, Robert Langdon. What country may I be located? The answer is C, France. How many universities were in Pakistan in 2001? The answer is A, 115. What will the narrator do while in Atlanta? The answer is B, they will take a course. In what year was Ohio Avenue first laid down? The answer is A, 1769. Most bird species display this behavior, meaning the male and female remain together for breeding for a few years or until one mate dies. The answer is C, monogamy. What may not happen after I leave the place? The answer is B, I may not forget about it quickly. Who assumed office as President of Mexico on December 2006? The answer is A, Felipe Calderon. We see a lady walking a dog. We see a man walking the dog. What happens next? The answer is D, return to the lady walking the dog. When did the Second Yugoslavia start? The answer is B, 1943. Why did the narrator stop drinking the coffee? The answer is B, the coffee was watery. A woman is parasailing in the ocean. What happens next? The answer is B, goes through tough waves. What do they mean when they say stronger side? The answer is D, the people are more willing to work together. What is the name of the act of getting on the stage during a concert and then jumping in the crowd below? The answer is A, stage diving. How might I feel about this? The answer is B, angry. What may be a fact about the two people in this situation? The answer is B, they are diving underwater together. What term is used to describe the electrostatic process used by most copy machines? The answer is A, pyrography. What does tipsy mean? The answer is A, none of the above choices. When did Elizabeth's grandfather die? The answer is C, 1936. How would one describe the narrator Escarache? The answer is C, it is disorganized. A little girl is playing in the sand. The girl grabs a shovel. A person. What happens next? The answer is A, walks in front of the camera. In the song The 12 Days of Christmas, what did my true love give to me on the 12th day? The answer is A, 12 drummers drumming. What type of paper should be used to make the bookmarks? How would you do this? The answer is A, thin paper. How long have you waited to continue your relationship? The answer is D, I have waited 2 years. What will it be in a few months? The answer is A, it will be autumn. What is Esther's real age? The answer is C, 33. About how many counts existed in the Carolingian Empire? The answer is C, 300. Which of these is the most responsible for the changes of the seasons on Earth? The answer is B, tilt of Earth on its axis. In what year did NHK first develop consumer SD television with a 5:3 aspect ratio? The answer is B, 1979. When was the Treaty of Paris established? The answer is D, 1898. To make mashed potatoes that are creamier and tastier, how would you do this? The answer is A. Mix some heavy cream into them. Why did the writer's shower drain back up? The answer is C. None of the above choices. When was the gray wolf added to the list? The answer is A. 1985. In species with sexual reproduction, each cell of the body has 2 copies of each what? The answer is A. Chromosome. Toilet paper, how would you do this? The answer is A. Can be put up a sleeve. What is the cube root of 64? The answer is D. 4. Why is the narrator driving around so much? The answer is D. They're looking for an apartment. How many gold medals did the Great British team win at the 2012 Summer Olympics? The answer is D. 29. Cutting board, how would you do this? The answer is A. Can break glass. Jupiter, the 5th planet from the Sun, has atmosphere composed of what gases? The answer is C. Hydrogen and helium. How many natural noble gases are there? The answer is B. 6. What 3 forms does frozen precipitation take?